First off, we gotta boil some water. Now, as I was adding the water in, I did splash some all over the place initially because I'm a messy boy, but you know, that's okay. Once you get that high heat on, cover it up and let it come to a boil. Next, we need to slice up some veg. Here I'm starting with some onions. You know me, I have no special technique in slicing onions. I'm a special boy though, but let me get these all sliced up and all separated nicely. And after that, we are going to deal with some ginger, slicing off, well, peeling off some of the skin with a spoon. Nice little trick there. After that, we're gonna chop it up. And once your ginger is nice and chopped up, just slice it up into something like matchsticks. Well, now that we have our ginger all ready, slice and dice some tomatoes. Again, nothing fancy here, just get them sliced and diced into cubes until it looks the way that you want it. Here, we're dealing with a hefty boy, a green papaya. We're using half, so we're slicing it in half. Get that all chopped up as nicely as you like. Also, do make sure to get rid of the seeds because I'm sure that's not tasty eats. And next up is a green bell pepper. You can also use long sweet peppers, but here I'm just going to slice that up and get that onto my plate with my other veg. Now, we're going to add that veg to our boiling water and get it all nicely dispersed, get it all in there nicey nice. It's gonna be a lot, but don't worry, it's all going to fit in there. And get some lemongrass in there. If you have whole lemongrass, awesome, but if you have paste, that works too. Just make sure to get it all nicely dispersed. You want that flavor to be distributed in an even way. Cover it up and let that come to a boil. Once it does, we're going to add in your fish here. I'm using yellowtail. You can use any preferred firm flesh fish, triple F, not to be confused with triple H the wrestler. But once you do that, add some patis and add some salt as well to boost that flavor. Again, get it all nicely dispersed, cover it up and let it cook for about 15 minutes. And after that, add in your spinach. It's going to seem like it won't all fit, but don't worry, it's going to all wilt down. But initially, just try to fit it as best as you can, and then cover it up and cook for 5 more minutes. Then kill the heat and start to disperse that spinach into the soup. It's going to look all nice when you do that, because if you leave the leaves at the top, well, it's just not going to look as nice. But now it does, and now you can sit there and admire it in the pot, but it's better to admire it in a bowl. Preferably, you're gonna serve it with some rice because rice is nice.
Try to get a little bit of everything. God. It's such a clean tasting dish. You got all your fresh veggies, that awesome yellowtail. Of course, the rice makes it complete. You should try this. YFP out.
If you loved this recipe, please check out the recipes in the thumbnails right here in the video. Also, please give me a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when my latest videos are released.